Hey everyone, in this video I'll show you how to track tasks and deadlines using the Airtable Calendar View in 2025. Start by opening Airtable and selecting the base where you want to manage your projects. Click Start with AI and choose Omni AI. Tell it to create a task tracker with deadlines, and it will automatically generate a table with fields like task name, due date, and status. Open your table and click Views on the left side. From the options, choose Calendar. Airtable will prompt you to select a date field. Pick the due date one. Now you'll see all your tasks displayed on a calendar, making it easy to track progress and upcoming deadlines visually. This layout helps you see what's due, when, and what tasks need the most attention first. You can drag tasks to new dates, color code by status, and even sync the view with Google Calendar if you want live updates. This makes it super easy to stay on schedule and adjust your plans as needed. To add new tasks, simply click any date on the calendar and fill in the task details like name, description, and deadline. It's clean, fast, and incredibly efficient for project tracking. That's how you use Airtable Calendar View to stay organized and meet deadlines easily. Whether you're tracking personal goals or managing a whole team, the calendar view keeps everything clear and visual. Try experimenting with custom fields or filters to make it even more tailored to your workflow. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.